And all president work without knowing that they are working. Nice.
And the motivation behind is Shilpi ji na.
Of course.
Always.
मैंने एक बार बोल दिया था, गलती से नहीं, मेरे दिल से निकला था, लेकिन सुनील जी immediately said, no, she cannot be your inspiration. She is my inspiration.
नमस्कार सबको.
Good morning. Good morning, Ashok ji.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
मॉर्निंग सुनील जी, क्या हाल है?
गुड मॉर्निंग.
मेरा तो ठीक है, थोड़ा क्या हाल है?
मॉर्निंग सुनील जी.
मेरा
Morning everybody.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन.
वाओ.
Good morning, Captain. Captain, good morning.
कैप्टन साहब.
कैप्टन रविंद्र.
नमस्कार सर.
थोड़ी बारिश हो गई यहाँ.
आपके उधर भी बारिश हो रही है अशोक जी?
हाँ, थोड़ी हो गई, अभी रुक गई है.
अच्छा, बारिश हो गई मॉर्निंग में.
Yeah.
It's to be raining today, but heaven. Morning Kalpa.
Blessings from the heaven.
Yes, blessing from the heaven. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Kalpa.
Ashish is here.
Ashish ji has come.
Let's see, check it.
जी नमस्कार.
Namaskar, Ashish ji.
किशोर जी नमस्कार.
Hi, how are you?
नमस्कार अशोक जी.
Namaskar.
Good morning, Ashish.
जीजा जी नमस्कार.
Good morning.
नमस्कार सपना जी. कैसे हैं?
I know.
How are you?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ.
Early morning आप हमेशा अच्छे होते हैं. As early.
नमस्कार आशीष.
जी जी.
Ashish ji, our DG is also with us. DG Sunil Mehra ji is with us. So good night.
How are you, Ashish ji? You were
सुनील जी नमस्कार.
bachelors
स्वागत है
of
आपका.
BNI Genies.
Of course. अरे हाँ. So good to see you. So good to see you, sir. Wonderful. So happy to see you. I'm in slightly colder climes as I speak to you. So therefore this.
Can
we start soon? Good morning.
We can make Facebook Live.
Yeah, just.
गोपाल जी क्या हाल है?
We are live now.
Okay.
It's in another 1 minute we will start.
Namaste to all our viewers in the meanwhile. And namaste to all my fellow Rotarians. Formal namaste to Gigi Sunil ji, Shilpi Mehra ji and Ashish ji. We can begin with the other.
We'll start, Sapna.
Yeah, please.
Good morning, everyone. Please stand for the national anthem. Nice.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Good morning, friends. Our respected chief guest, DG Sunilji, First Lady Shilpiji, guest of honor, renowned actor and motivational speaker Ashish Vidyarthi, Rotarians and friends. I warmly welcome you all for this grand finale of 21 days session of yoga and meditation by our celebrity wellness coach, Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi. Friends, when second wave of COVID came and lockdown was announced, myself and Sapna ji thought that let not our Rotarians and friends again become lazy, change their routine and spoil their health. And our DG also encouraged, rather triggered us to do something during this period. So we planned this 21 days program in the mornings, 7:30 to 8:30. We were a little apprehensive that it is a morning time and how the people will come and join. But besides Zoom, we also relayed it live on our Seacoast Facebook page. Friends, we have received a great response all throughout, and our Facebook page has been buzzing throughout the day for last 20 days with hundreds and sometimes thousands watching it at different times during the day. The highest on one day was 5,610 reached our Facebook page. This event has been covered by newsprint media also, and our Rotary got a good exposure from this. Friends, this program, we have planned it in 4 phases. That is, first 20 minutes, we did exercise, yogic exercises. Then 20 minutes, we did, what is called breathing exercises. And final 20 minutes, we did our meditation. Let me show you a jhalak of last few days, how we went about. Jhalak, please. Yeah. Yogat labhate swasthyam dirghayusham balam sukham. That means you get all swasthya, dirghayusha, bala, sukha, everything you get it from yoga. That is what it is said in our Vedas. So in present scenario, there is a dire need of this to all of us. Our club secretary, Sapna Priyadarshi, as you all perhaps know, is a celebrity wellness coach who has trained several people, including many celebrities in yoga, meditation, as well as in Reiki.
I'm so glad that you just took the opportunity of putting an idea into reality here. Much needed this morning, and whether it's the weekends only or whether it's more than just the weekends, we look forward to them, and let's improve our health in these current scenarios. It's very important to maintain and stay safe. So thank you again, Kishore, Sapna, and of course the entire club.
Inhale. Exhale. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4.
वाह सपना, तुसी great हो. You are an excellent teacher. I can say this because you explained in a very interesting manner and very simple words.
But it was great experience going through this exercise this morning. Cheers to you. Indeed, you are doing a great social service.
I'm really very thankful. And last 3 days I'm feeling so energized. I can't tell you that.
It was very nice. I think I learned that you also taught us full moon meditation. I never heard of this before. So I think I'll practice in future this full moon session.
Madam, this will really help us to face the pandemic.
This is fantastic. The way she teaches, the way she conducts, the way the wealth of wisdom she shares is something really very amazing. I think even if we follow few things among this, I think we'll carry our, we'll be enriched in our life much more.
Every morning, I look forward to a 7:30 session and I feel energized the entire day. So thank you so much.
Successful men and women devote much time towards deep concentration. With this deep dive, they deep dive within their mind to find all right solutions for the problem that confront them every day.
Yoga is the union of you and rest of existence. We feel we are very immensely benefited. Thank you very much.
All of us are benefited, not only our lungs, heart, but joints, even those who are sitting on laptop, their neck muscles also are benefited by your techniques.
Giving me the pranas. My pranas are already energizing with such positive vibes and thoughts. You know what? During these turbulent times, you have benefited us all tremendously to stay mentally, emotionally, and physically very stable, resilient, and joyful.
Thank you, Sapna ji, for bringing us this happiness and all the time. And thank you for your precious time that you spend with us every morning.
I hope that all of us continue to do even beyond this program. I am observing that you are doing a very sincere job and helping all of us get into yoga, those who are not doing yoga.
A unique study on mudra I should definitely bring forward to balance the body doshas, which I read in a book. Intrigued me to study more, and I'm still studying on this subject. It's very fascinating that what you can do just by pressing fingers and taking in different mudras.
I also thank your daughter for joining and showing this thing, and shows that this legacy will continue for the next generation also.
I'm sure each one of us has benefited from this cause in one way or the other. As they say, health is wealth. You have indeed made us all wealthy.
भाइयों और बहना, सुनो सपना का कहना। जिंदगी को जी, उसे समझने की कोशिश न कर। सुंदर सपनों के ताने बाने बुन, उसमें उलझने की कोशिश न कर।
Even after we finished, I'm feeling there is that so-called higher circulation of blood, if I can say. I don't know what's the real, or maybe it's just oxygen.
And I really thank Sapna for doing it and agreed to do continuously for 21 days, where we all need it. And we all know that yoga labate swasthyam dirghayusham balam sukham.
I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. I will try to help others who are suffering. Let the peace prevail on us, around us, in the entire world. Peace, peace, peace.
Thank you. So, Sapna, you are really an amazing personality. I always called SAPNA, that is expert in yoga, meditation, mudra, diet, Reiki, in all. You're so accomplished. So, friends, we have also made a small video on Sapna. Please.
Sorry to interrupt in between, Kishore ji. I think Ashish ji has to leave by 8. I think we are already 7:40. So shall we? You can leave this. You can just show the video, whatever you have made. You are saying, and after that, quickly we can go to.
Yes, sure. Yeah. Can you show the video and then we can go to Ashish? Yeah, please. Thank you. And friends.
This is a fantastic work, Kishore Bhai.
No,
I don't know.
I have Sapna ji, I have yet to see such an accomplished woman who is into everything, and you are so expert in everything. So friends, I'm very happy that distinguished artist and National Award winner actor Ashish Vidyarthi is our guest of honor today. He has worked across 11 languages in 200 plus films, has reinvented himself successfully in an additional avatar of being prolific and motivational speaker with his igniting talks and workshops. He has impacted the lives of working professionals from around for over 200 organizations across the globe. He is also co-founder of Ashish Vidyarthi and Associates. I now request Ashish to kindly ignite us with your talk. Ashish ji, please.
Namaskar, bahut shukriya Kishore ji. Right at the outset, just being present to the magic of life. Imagine living in a world and discovering, and even today as I come here at the invite of my dear Jijaji, Captain Bakshi and Sapna ji, that I'm here. And I have been at your club when the climate was slightly different, just a few years back. So one thing is very, very clear, that Can we be open to the amazing that is available in life around us? And Sapna ji, today I came to discover another gem which is just around us. So first of all, I want to begin with gratefulness that you took time and you contributed. Now, for me, this is a very important part of my life, because I have discovered that as long as I keep my eyes on me, I'm troubled. I'm really troubled, because there is so much more that I could do, so much more that should have happened to me. I feel so bad for myself. And over the years in my life, I have seen that the more I feel bad about myself, the more my life isn't good. And as I speak about myself, I'm requesting you to look at yourself. This is something which is at the heart of Rotary, at the heart of what you people do, is taking your eyes away from here to there, to really being there for the world. And then we discover the amazing possibilities that the world has, the amazing largeness which exists in the world. And I'm in the presence of that, Sapna ji, today. Okay, as I'm invited by you, I have come to know about another hidden gem right around me. In this very moment, something very interesting is happening to each one of us. Even as we are wanting to work on ourselves and really taking care of ourselves, because we do wish to contribute, there is the doom, gloom, which is just all pervading. So my today's conversation is about taking care of me. And I'm talking about the me who's listening to me. It is very important, my friend. As each one of us wants to contribute to others, it's imperative that we take care of ourselves. Now, how do we take care of ourselves? Consider, we all know that, what food we eat has a role to play. What thoughts we hear has a role to play. What walls we create has a role to play. The generosity that we want to exude to the world, what we want to show to the world, can we have that generosity for ourselves also? Can we truly allow the richness of the world to touch us rather than just only a part of it? The news today is one of the most damaging things that is hitting us at all times. It is bringing down the collective consciousness. People tell me, yes, that's a fact, we must know about it. Yes, there's a difference between fact and gossiping about fact. What is happening a whole lot is that we are passing on gossip. Now, I want to make a very clear demarcation between what is gossip and what is life. Consider for a moment, gossip is talking about it without doing anything about it. So I just forward things that I've heard, and I'm doing it in the garb of, "Pata hai kya hua? Do you know this thing is also gone?" And I'm doing nothing about it. On the other hand, are a set of people who probably are informed by what life is doing to us and then doing something about it. A very key part for each one of us in this point is to keep ourselves really ignited. This entire thing is like water which is dousing our spirit, which is saying, "Fayda kya hua yaar, itna kuch kiya, phir bhi isliye pata kuch bhi nahi ho raha." Nahi, my friend. I want us to connect with that amazing ethereal which has driven each one of us in our life. For me, when I look at any situation, yes, I feel really trapped at times, but I'm very clear. The way out of this trap is also from here. And the way out for me, for that, I need a magnet. And that magnet is what you and I believe in. It is very different. I have a different magnet from Kishore Bhai's or Ashok Bhai's or Ashok Ji's or Sapna Ji's. We all have different magnets. But those magnets are of prime importance. Those magnets are the ideals that we vie for. A dream that we want fulfilled for ourselves and for others. This is truly a period that we connect again and again to those powerful magnets, because those are going to yank us out of this predicament of ours. In this period, people like you and me need to be rejuvenated. Oh yes, and therefore, what Sapna ji is doing and the entire 21-day thing that she's done is very important for us to stay rejuvenated. But also it is important that we also mind what is going into our ears and what is going out through our mouth and our forwards. This is a moment for us to even hunt for the goodness around and the possibilities there in the future. Because why it is important is that in this period of drought, even a tiny bit of hope is needed. I promise you, dear friend, as you and I connect with that amazing, I always get possibilities when I'm around positive people. Because positive people are not just saying, abhi theek hai. Positive people share with me that acha hoga, which is hope for me, drives me ahead. And the only impediment to hope, dear friend, is all this embodiment of doom. एक दिन तो जाएंगे बंधु, हम लोग सब जाएंगे, हम सब एक दिन जाएंगे, लेकिन जाने के पहले नहीं जाएंगे. और ये अगर हम अपने साथ कनेक्ट करके रखें कि हम लोग जब जब गति की बात करते हैं, जब जब हम कहते हैं कि सचमुच हमारी जिंदगी में गति है, तो हम जड़ से अलग होते हैं. So I do not want any one of us to feel scared, because this is there. Now the only way out is when we can reach out to each other. And Rotary is a prime example of people who have contributed, and these contributing extraordinary people need to stay bright, need to spread the word of hope. And I promise you one thing, dear friends, hope is needed in the darkest hour. This probably is the darkest hour that you and I or generations have seen in this part of the world. Hope is definitely needed here. So I am inviting each one of us to puncture the holes that people have in their theories that nothing can happen. बहुत बुरा हो रहा है, correct बुरा हो रहा है. अब उस theory में हमको we have to bore holes of hope, because ये जो collectively हमारा mind जो dead होता जा रहा है, इसके बाद क्राइम बढ़ेगा, इसके बाद और गुस्सा होगा, एक दूसरे के पीछे ब्लेम करेंगे, फायदा नहीं है बंधु. हम सबको अब फ्यूचर एक साथ ही. I had heard this beautiful line some years back, and it makes a lot of sense. You and I may be in different boats, but we are caught in the same storm. So even as we are bobbing, as our tiny boats are bobbing at different points in the sea, we are connected, dear friends. Let's collectively come together to peace and tranquility, because the future is ours. Some of us will make it there, but those of us who don't make it, we would have contributed something amazing. Let's grant ourselves that wish that we will be peaceful and hopeful, because this is what this period needs. I really thank you, Sapna ji, for your contribution. Thank you for inviting me. Jija ji, once again, Captain Bakshi, for the extraordinary human being that you are in Bubbly Didi. You always inspire me to be bigger and better than who I am. And each one at this Sea Coast Rotary Club, मैं आपको कई बार visit कर चुका हूँ. I am always inspired. I have made many friends there. मैं आप सबको सादर प्रणाम नमस्कार बोलता हूँ. And मैं आज इजाजत लूंगा क्योंकि I have something which is lined up. पर सुनील जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
आशीष जी, thank you so much, Ashish ji. It is always, your talk is thought-provoking. It takes us deep inside within us to search for something which is something different and for which it will help the society. I liked the way you said just now, we are in different boats, but the storm is the same, where we have to sail through, we have to take other people's, we have to, make them help. Ashish ji, just 2 minutes. We want to just felicitate you from our DG. So please be there. Please be there for at least another 5 minutes. Friends, we are fortunate to have our chief guest today, our loving and motivating DG Sunil ji and First Lady Shilpi ji. We all know, because we are all Rotarians here, so we know him for last 1 year. But I must introduce him in only 2 sentences, that his blood group is R positive, that is Rotary positive. And second is that we all presidents, all president across our district, we really feel fortunate to have him as our DG in this challenging year, because every time, even for this whole program, I must tell you that that the whole trigger has started by him. When we met Sunilji, when he came to inaugurate our wheelchair donation project, and told Sapna, why not to start Reiki classes for the entire district? And then the second wave started. And that has given us this thing, okay, our DG wants Reiki classes, but that has to be done physically. So something which we can do online. So let us do this online. So Sapna and me decided that let's have this. So he is behind our all, what is called, whatever activities we have done. So he is always there to guide us and to tell us where we go wrong, where we go right. So thank you, Sunilji, you are here today. We'll have a small felicitation program. First, let us felicitate Sapna Priyadarshi, who has been doing 21 days, a great job, and for this thing. And friends, these lovely, beautiful trophies, they are designer trophies. They are sponsored by Creative Awards and Rewards of Rotarian Prashant Kalbak. And this is, can you show it again? Yeah, Vivek? Yeah. I now request our DG to formally hand it over to her. So, and it is, I think the wordings are not clear. Can I just get only the label of that? And yeah.
You want to read it, Kishore?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so Rotarian Sapna Priyadarshi, congratulations and thank you for conducting 21-day session of yoga and meditation for Rotarians of District 3141 in this challenging COVID period. Rotary Club of Bombay Sea Coast, Kishore Masukar. Sapna, honestly, truly deserving.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you so much.
We are indeed grateful to the our Ashish Vidyarthi, a celebrity actor and a motivational speaker, for being here with us, sparing his time. He has somewhere to go, but he said he will definitely be here. So we'd like to felicitate him. And can you show his award, please? Yeah. Just focus it. Yeah. Can you focus it, please?
Enlarge, Vivek, enlarge. Cut the side and enlarge.
Yeah.
Let me just say it.
Yeah, please, you say that. Yeah.
So Ashish Vidyarthi, it's a privilege to give you this particular award. It's honestly a privilege. Okay, let me read it. Presented to Shri Ashish Vidyarthi for his exemplary contribution to the society for igniting
minds and transforming lives.
Okay, I can't read that part, sorry. But Ashish ji, thank you for your support. I know your oratory skills and your baritone voice are truly enriching for us today. Thank you for being here.
बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Thank you so much for everything.
Friends, we have one of us who has been with us for the last 21 days. Not only 21 days, he is there from the beginning. He is giving us a great IT support, a young boy, but he is with us for 21 days, getting up early morning and doing IT, what is called relay for us. So I invite our Vivek Shete for Vivek, can you enlarge your trophy?
So to Vivek Shetty for giving IT support. I'm sorry, I can't read that.
For IT support for entire 21 days sessions of yoga and meditation. Yeah.
Congratulations, Vivek.
Thank you. Yes.
Thank you for the support.
Friends,
if I may now take leave, मैं आप लोगों से इजाजत लेता हूँ. Thank you so very much. बहुत शुक्रिया. We will be in touch. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.
Thank you, Sunil ji. Thank you, Kishore ji. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Yeah, friends, I will now request Sapna ji to give to talk this thing, and then we'll like to know our some motivational words from our DG also. Yeah, please. Sapna ji, please.
Kishore Bhai, I have been actually doing for 21 days, as everyone knows, and I will keep on speaking when we do something. So I think this is the time to hear from our DG Sunil, and then we will make him also do today yoga for the last 21st day. I think that'll be fantastic.
Sunil ji.
Keep on speaking.
Sapna, क्या बोलूं? पकड़ लिया?
और क्या?
Okay, so I'm going to be brief and short because I'd like you to get into the session. And, you know, when last Kishore, Sapna, and of course, I think Ashish ji is left. From last year, we've all been leading some kind of a sedentary lifestyle because we've been kind of confined to the four walls of our houses, not been able to get out. So the need of the hour, of course, is health more than wealth. And it was just a chance meeting that we had at that event that Kishore just spoke about. An exchange of what just each other does. She mentioned Reiki, and I'd done some Reiki in my younger days. And this particular, you know, gave birth to the seed. But today you have actually, Sapna, watered the sapling and seen it grow into a tree, or maybe even then a plant. So many presidents I see here. I see so many of my visionary presidents here, along with you, Kishore. But like Jyoti mentioned, Jyoti Babladi mentioned that she was energized. And remember, Jyoti is normally very energized. For her to get energized is really an add-on. So we are, of course, going through an era where we call this year the Rotary Opens Opportunities. You have, Sapna, in reality made the opportunity into a reality. And we had something in the beginning of the year called Support Rotarians to Support Rotary. You have actually accomplished supporting Rotarians. Congratulations and thank you. And keep on doing this. I'm sorry I could not be here for this 21 days. But if you do this 1st of July onwards, I'm going to be more free. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunil ji. Now it is time for us to do bit get freshen up, or as per Sapna ji's words, we are pampering our body and mind. We are not doing exercise. We are not doing anything different, but pamper our body and mind. You know, like how.
Sorry, Kishore, I just forgot to mention, I know you were confined to Mumbai, you managed to Mumbai, but you've now gone beyond the boundaries of Mumbai and managed to go travel South India, because I see even Arya is here.
Yes. So I mean, yeah, Sapna, we'll start a small session.
Yes, I'm all ready. Just a second. Vivek, just 1 second. Yes. Ready? Vivek, can we see the... Is it fine, Vivek?
Yes, madam. Little bit low. Yes. Little bit. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, done.
Okay. All right. So stand for the last day here, but the journey will continue. Actual journey will continue from tomorrow, right? So we have been just sitting. So a little bit of warm-up exercise quickly we'll do. All right. So let us start the cardio quickly. Okay, we have been doing that, so I'm not explaining. Let's quickly start. Start, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, great. When you do this, I told you that heartbeat has to go fast. You will feel that boosting up in the entire body. And then after this, you should relax. After doing this cardio, you should relax. Relax. And as I mentioned earlier also, breathe in deeply, inhale deeply. Hold your breath and exhale. Again, inhale exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Right? Okay. Now can we quickly do Hastapadasana? All of you know I'm not explaining today. Today it's only doing day, only practice day. All right, straighten your hands up. Inhale deeply and exhale and touch your feet. Inhale up. Hold your breath. Exhale down. Inhale up and relax. All right, relax. Now, can we quickly do one round of Trikonasana? Because we'll focus more on pranayamas today. Okay, so you know that Trikonasana. Yesterday when we were doing weight loss exercises, pranayama, meditation, and even the asanas. This was one of them. Do it. One. And you know very well, whenever you come up, you should always inhale. Whenever you go down, you should always exhale. No matter which exercise you are doing, which asana you are doing, that is a thumb rule. Okay? So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. अच्छा खाना खाना चाहते हैं तो obviously you have to do this because otherwise you will become a balloon. You know that, right? So you need to reduce your waist, your the entire body fats. So keep doing this, whatever I told you yesterday, but again with your medical conditions. Right? Great. Can we just do one round of balancing? As I told you that you can always take the support of the wall. That is Vrikshasana, tree pose. Can you all do? And remember, if you take the support of a wall, that does not mean that it is not giving you the perfect benefits. You will get exactly the same benefits even though when you do without the support of the wall. Okay, looking at your agility. So just take your one foot little up, join at your thigh, calf, wherever you can, and hands up. And be in this position. Inhale deeply. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Hold your breath. And exhale. Right? लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Hold your breath. And exhale. Can I see others? Try to be in this pose as much as possible and do the same thing with the other leg also. फिर वही चीज आपको दूसरे पैर के साथ भी करनी है. This is a balancing pose. This is very good. Not for your, the other body fitness or how you look, not for that, but just remember, it will balance your brain also. It will balance, it will calm you. It will bring balance in your life. So tree pose is a very good pose. Okay. We also say balancing pose like this. So anyway, that can be taken later, but this you can practice regularly. Okay. So let us sit down, all of you. Please sit down in the cross-legged position. And the way you want, if you can sit, because I have been showing you that if you can sit, if you have practiced, if you have been practicing, you can sit in Padmasana, otherwise rest can sit in Ardha Padmasana, Sukhasana, or just cross-legged position. Okay, just cross-legged position. And let us do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. ठीक है, नाड़ी शुद्धि प्राणायाम करते हैं. आज आपकी परीक्षा है, आप डायरेक्ट कीजिए. ऑलराइट, इनहेल, होल्ड, एक्सहेल. इनहेल, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. exhale. Inhale, and from one nostril inhale, from the other nostril exhale. Okay, alternate, Anulom Vilom. Inhale, slowly. Hold and exhale. Please don't inhale and exhale because I've been teaching you for past 20 days, so you know. Holding is very important. Inhale. Long breath in. Hold your breath. And exhale. Now inhale from the same nostril that you exhale from. Hold. And exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Right? So Anulom Vilom, please add to everyday breathing exercises and do it as long as you can, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but slow down. As I mentioned earlier, how many rounds are you doing? It's not important. Certainly not important. How you are doing. Quality matters, not the quantity. So do as slow as possible because जितना प्राणा आप खींचेंगे, जितनी एयर आप अंदर लेंगे, जितनी ऑक्सीजन आप अंदर लेंगे, अंदर लेने के बाद जितना आप उसको छोड़ेंगे, रोकेंगे, it will spread in your entire lungs, body properly. Okay, and then you exhale. So carbon dioxide will come out. Okay, so do that. Just remember. Doesn't matter आपको क्या सिखाया गया है या किसी वर्कशॉप में आपने क्या किया है, but please remember, go as slow as possible with breathing exercises with pranayamas. All right. So all the 3 yogic breathings I have been teaching you for the past so many days. Right. So let's go to Kapalbhati. And Kapalbhati only those people will do who do not have the severe acidity problem. So people suffering from severe acidity should not practice this Kapalbhati. They should continue with Anulom Vilom and Bhastrika. All right. So let's start with Kapalbhati. You have to inhale deeply. It should go to your stomach. Your stomach should blow. And while exhaling, it should go in. Right. Contract completely. All right, start. Hold. And then exhale. Don't be faster because I can hear that noise. People are like, jaldi nahi karna hai. Inhale deeply, hold. Do the slow version. Blow your tummy. अंदर गहरी सांस लीजिए, पेट को फुलाइए, रोकिए. And then exhale while taking your tummy completely in. Now again inhale, hold, and exhale. Inhale, लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकिए, पेट फूल चुका है. Now exhale, अब सांस छोड़िए, पेट को अंदर लेते हुए. Again inhale. Exhale. See, you have to consciously do this to get benefited and you'll see amazing results. It's my challenge. I'm telling you, you'll see the amazing results. And I'm sure in these 20-21 days itself, you must have started experiencing this. So keep continuing. ये movie तो है नहीं कि आप देख रहे हो और आपको मजा आ रहा है, right? So please do. This is your real meditation, real vaccination. Can we go to the faster round? Medium pace or faster round? You can say your Kapalbhati. Come on, start. Medium pace, okay? Great. Now, when you do this medium pace, you should actually feel the, pull in your neck, the dryness in your neck, the stiffness in your shoulders. If that is happening, meaning you are doing it correctly. और ऐसे ही करना है आपको. Okay? And if you feel dryness, what you should do is you should take a sip of water. You should feel dryness. that is a symptom that you are doing correctly, but only a sip. Okay, let us do the faster version of Kapalbhati quickly. I want to see everyone. Great, guys. लगातार करते रहिए जब आपको लगे, when you feel, now my neck is telling stop, your throat is saying stop, you should do that. And of course, you should start sweating. Okay? And then what I told you, you must do neck exercises. Please do not leave your Kapalbhati like that. Whenever you do 10-15 rounds of Kapalbhati, you must do your neck exercises. Otherwise, if you don't do, a lot of people who have been doing, they must be feeling some uncomfort in their neck muscles and all. All right? Chali karte hain neck exercises, which I have been telling you, slowly but very gently. Neck exercises should be done very gently. Okay? Left, inhale deeply and go to left. When you go to left, pause, hold and exhale. Then again inhale, come to right. Hold and exhale. Again inhale, left. The inhalation should continuously go till you come to the pause. Exhale. Right. Exhale. And come to the center. Now can we do quickly the Bhastrika round? Bhastrika mein you are supposed to inhale only till chest and exhale from there. And this also you should do slow round and then go to the faster round. Let us do directly the faster round, because if you do slow, that will help you. I have been telling you this again and again. Okay? Like this slow version if you do. The stomach will be still. Aapko pata bhi nahi chalega wahan. The real correct way of Bhastrika is that it comes here and you feel the heaviness around your chest. Hold and then exhale. This is slow round, okay? Inhale. Feel the heaviness in your chest. Slow and then exhale. I told people who have just recovered from COVID and all, they should do all the pranayamas, but very slow. Kapalbhati, I told them not to do, but Anulom, Vilom, Bhastrika, they should do. Okay? And Brahmari, they should do. And very slow, very slow. Consciously 10 rounds, 15 rounds, then break, maybe in the afternoon again, evening again, night again. All right? Okay, let's do the faster round. Inhale till your chest and exhale. Pata chalna chahiye, wo pull, wo push. Come on, show me everyone. When you do this 20-30 rounds, you will feel a great pull, stiffness in the upper back, shoulders, neck, and a great dryness in your neck, right? Sip of water and then do the neck exercise. Very gently, let's rotate it. Rotate. Keep inhaling, and when you come front, exhale. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Then same you can do anti-clockwise. 1. See, inhalation should be done properly and exhalation too, but at the same time when you rotate, aapki gardan, aapki, it should touch your shoulder. मतलब इतनी कोशिश करिए, but look at your agility again. आप अपने comfort level के हिसाब से करिए and remember this. Otherwise, instead of benefit, it will be adversely affecting you. All right, but very slow. And see if you can touch the back part also. Great. 1, 2, and 3. As slow as possible. Okay? As slow as possible. Now, after this, can we just do Bhramari, 1 round? You all know, I've already taught you. Do, and with my version of Bhramari, where you just cleansing your entire body, looking internally, and you feel that vibration inside from your root chakra till your crown chakra, and again go down. You're completely detoxifying your body, you're cleaning it. Okay, start Bhramari. People who want to listen to my instructions, they may not block their ears, but otherwise when you practice on your own, you should block your ears, put your 3 fingers on your eyes and one forefinger on your forehead. And make the sound of ma, okay? That sound. You have started imagining the round circular internally in your body, that vibration is cleaning. Imagine there is a vibration sound making round, and it started coming from your root chakra to your stomach, your lungs, your heart. It's moving upward. You keep making focus on your breath, the sound, and just keep imagining inside. Neck, you have reached your neck. You've entered your head and reach your crown chakra. And see how that vibration is moving there also. Now from top to bottom, focus completely inside, internal part. Imagine, watch, observe, and keep cleaning with the vibrating sound. Okay? You're moving downward. You reach your chest, your stomach, and completely your Muladhara chakra. All right? Now please release the pose. Spread your legs. Spread your legs. And do the leg exercises, because people who have been actually sitting down and practicing, they will feel the stiffness, a little bit of uncomfort in their legs. So you can always do this leg exercises that I have been teaching you. You know, inward, outward, inward, outward. And again, left, right, and then clockwise. This is what you can actually do. All right? Great. Great. Now, okay. After this, can we just do everyone's favorite Baddha Konasana with imagination? Okay? You know that, how to do Baddha Konasana. Make butterfly pose. Make butterfly pose. People sitting in the chair, I told if they don't have the, the arms and the chair is comfortable, that you don't fall, you can even do that, otherwise bed. You can sit on your bed. Or you can try this. 1 round, close your eyes and flap. The whole body should be stiff normally. Straighten your spine and flap. Okay, like this. And with this every day, if you do about 5 minutes and imagine yourself for 2 minutes that you are flying in the sky. Yes. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. And exhale. You started flying. You started flying. Look at your flaps. You're slowly going up. आप बाहर निकल चुके हैं. Imagine yourself outside in the sky and see how you're flapping. You're flying in the sky. You've reached a much higher level. very high in the sky. See, and flapping. You're flapping. See, you're flapping, and the birds all around. Imagine करिए, देखिए ऊपर अपने आप को बंद आंखों से आप flap कर रहे हैं. Come on. Yes, and inhale this fresh oxygen. Inhale. Yes. Can you see how fresh it is? Exhale. Inhale. See how you're flying. Great. With birds all around. See? Yes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale the fresh air and exhale. Again, inhale the fresh air. Exhale. Yes. Yes. Still be there. See? You are enjoying in the sky. Yes. Inhale. You slowly come down with your own wave. Slowly come down, 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 and down. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Stop flapping. Stop flapping. Yes. Stop flapping. Stop flapping. All right. Now, let us experience a special meditation that you all loved one day, that is Shavasana. I'll make you do that today. So, can you change the screen, Vivek? Thank you. Okay. So, can you all lie down if possible? Can you all lie down if possible? जैसे उस दिन आप लोगों ने किया था, please lie down if possible. Because now you have to just listen to my instructions. अब आपको केवल मुझे सुनना है. So don't bother about your cameras for the time being. But do not switch off your cameras, just lie down. Yes, great. Okay. Lie down on your back comfortably. Lie down on your back comfortably. Close your eyes. Put your hands aside. अपने हाथों को साइड में रख लीजिए. Close your eyes and just be to yourself. Forget about anything what is happening around. Forget where are you right now. Just be to yourself and inhale deeply. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And exhale. Slowly. Again, inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. फिर एक बार लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Inhale deeply and focus your attention on your breath when you inhale. Exhale slowly. Be aware about your body alone. Just be aware about your body alone. When you completely go into this meditation, trust me, you will feel like that you are not on your bed. आपको feel ही नहीं होगा. आपको लगेगा आप जमीन से ऊपर हैं. You know, so that is a longer hour that when I make people. But let's focus on your body completely. Breathe in again and breathe out. Now, let us invoke the universal energy all around. चलिए उस विश्व शक्ति का आह्वान करते हैं. Let this atmosphere be purified by the divine power. Let this atmosphere be purified by the divine power, the universal energy. Let this energy enter into my physical body and the life force. ये विश्व शक्ति मेरे शरीर में, मेरी आत्मा में प्रवेश करे. Let this divine energy protect me, guide me in everything that I do throughout my life. Salutation to my mother. Keep saying that in your heart. Salutation to my father. And salutation to Guru. Imagine that there is an aura which is created around you. Imagine कीजिए कि आप जहाँ लेटे हैं वहाँ बॉडी के चारों तरफ एक ऑरा सा बन रहा है, व्हाइट कलर की कुछ एनर्जी सी है. सिर्फ इमेजिन करेंगे आप. There's a light all around, the rays all around your body. There's a chakra, there's a protection which is created all around you. Inhale now this energy. Just keep imagining, do not wander your mind. Focus should be on inhalation. Inhale this energy. See this energy all around. See how this energy is getting spread in and out in your body. Imagine this white light energy has entered into your body. Imagine कीजिए कैसे वो आपके शरीर में प्रवेश कर रही है. Imagine जैसे सफेद धुआं होता है, just like a smoke, the rays getting into your body. Now focus your attention on your feet. अब अपना ध्यान अपने पैरों पर लगाइए. Imagine कीजिए. It is only to imagine with your closed eyes. Imagine your feet. अपने पैरों को imagine कीजिए. Imagine your feet. Relax, relax, relax. Now, imagine your calves. थोड़ा ऊपर आकर के अपनी टांगों पे ध्यान लगाइए. Imagine your calves. Relax, relax, relax. Now you see that white energy all around your feet and calves have been covered with that white light energy. The rest of the body is not. It has become very strong till your calves. Now focus your attention on your knees. अब अपना ध्यान अपने घुटनों पर लगाइए. Slowly see that white light energy is traveling towards upward. Focus your attention on your knees. Relax, 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 relax. Now move upward. Focus your attention on thighs. And you can see here also the white light has covered your thighs. Relax, relax, relax. ध्यान अपने जांघों पर लगाया. And relax, relax, relax. Move upward. Focus your attention on lower abdomen and the area around. Imagine your body parts. Relax, 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 relax. And you see that white light energy has covered till lower abdomen. Now move upward and focus your attention on your stomach. ध्यान अपने पेट पर लगाइए और उस हिस्से को उस white light से कवर होता देखिए. And see how that area is being covered by that white light energy. Relax, relax, relax. Move upward. Focus your attention on your chest, your heart. Imagine your heart. It's pumping perfectly. This area is also covered by white light energy. अब वो white light energy आपके chest तक आ चुकी है. Relax, relax, relax. Now move further to your shoulders, your hands, and see how they are covered by the white light energy. कैसे बढ़ता जा रहा है पानी की तरह से ये white light energy वहाँ पे. Relax, relax, relax. Imagine your neck now. Move towards neck. This area is also getting covered by this white light energy. Imagine that. And relax, relax, relax. Move upward and imagine your entire face, your head. And see how this white light energy is slowly covering your face, your head. They are totally covered. आपका चेहरा, आपका सर, सब कुछ इस सफेद रोशनी से कवर हो चुका है. Relax, relax, relax. Every cell of yours is regenerated. आपका हर बॉडी सेल एक्टिवेट हो चुका है, रिजेनरेट हो चुका है, एनर्जाइज हो चुका है. Completely energized, completely energized. You imagine yourself in an open space. You imagine yourself in an open space, somewhere in the sky. Only the white light energy all around. आप अपने आप को अब imagine कर रहे हैं कि आप उसी शव अवस्था में लेटे हुए हैं, बाहर कहीं आकाश में, और चारों तरफ ये सफेद रोशनी है. The white light energy all around. It's protecting you. You are at a blissful state. Wow. You are at a blissful state. You're completely relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. You see there are different rays which are actually entering into your body. Some white rays, some red rays, some yellow rays, there is golden rays, gray rays. वो सतरंगी रेज आपके शरीर में प्रवेश कर रही हैं. वो 7 रंगों की रेज आपके शरीर में प्रवेश कर रही हैं. You have taken the entire energy. You're completely relaxed, relaxed, relaxed. Now you're slowly coming back to your body. वेरी स्लोली। अब बहुत धीरे से अपने आप को इमेजिन करिए कि उसी अवस्था में, उसी शव अवस्था में आप अपने शरीर में वापस आ रहे हैं। वेरी स्लोली, very slowly. You've come back to your body. Feel that moment when you are entering. Relax, 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 relax. Now breathe in and breathe out. Come to awareness. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now slowly, very slowly, open your eyes. Very slowly open your eyes, but do not get up. Do not get up immediately. Just open your eyes very slowly. Very slowly. See all around. See all around. Feel the energy. Now please rub your hands. Join your palms, हाथोलियों को जोड़ लीजिए और उनको रब करिए and put them on your eyelids. By touching your head also. Now slowly remove. And now, very slowly, please sit down. Very slowly sit down. And please repeat with me. Open your eyes and repeat with me. I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. Please say along with me. I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. Yes? Vivek, can you please unmute everyone? Yes? Can I hear? I in my lifetime will not harm anybody's body or mind, or my body or mind. Great. I will try to help others who are suffering.
I will try to help others who are suffering.
Let the peace prevail on us.
Let the peace prevail on us.
Let the peace prevail around us.
Let the peace prevail around us.
The peace in the entire world.
The peace in the entire world.
Peace, peace, peace.
Peace, peace.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sapna. And just I want a few words from our DG, how he felt today. What is his feeling of this? Because we missed him all throughout the session. Of course, he was there on the first day to encourage us. I mean, Sunilji, just 2 sentences. What you felt about today's session?
So let's say recharged, my battery is rejuvenated, and of course ready to go again, ready to roar again.
Thank you so much. Sir, we have one person here who was our grassroots level worker, who has been a superstar of our Rotary Club of Bombay Sea Coast. He is the one whom any project you come out with and tell him that 500 people has to be benefited, yes, he will get it done. So he's our, but he had one more quality of having a very good poem. I mean, to write poems. He's a poet. So, and the other day he gave a vote of thanks and a lovely poem he has recited for Sapna ji. So I would like to show you that he's our Hemang Bhai Changla. And Vivek, can you just play Hemang's poem?
I say formal vote of thanks. I think Sapna ji wants to tell you something. Sapna ji, I am taking liberty. मतलब आप सबको क्या कहना चाहती है? उसका थोड़ा मैं ब्यौरा देता हूँ. भाइयों और बहना सुनो सपना का कहना. क्या बात है? भाइयों और बहना सुनो सपना का कहना. जिंदगी को जी उसे समझने की कोशिश न कर. जिंदगी को जी उसे समझने की कोशिश न कर. सुंदर सपनों के ताने बाने बुन, उसमें उलझने की कोशिश न कर. जो अभी आपने बताया. सुंदर सपनों के ताने बाने बुन, उसमें उलझने की कोशिश न कर. चलते वक्त के साथ तू भी चल. चलते वक्त के साथ तू भी चल, उसमें सिमटने की कोशिश न कर. जो आज आपने बताया हो. चलते वक्त के साथ तू भी चल, उसमें सिमटने की कोशिश न कर. अपने हाथों को फैला खुल के सांस. अंदर ही अंदर घुटने की कोशिश न कर. तो आप रोज रोज बताते।
Great.
मन में चल रहे युद्ध को विराम दे, जो आप शांत लास्ट में जो 10 मिनट करते हैं आप उसके ऊपर, मन में चल रहे युद्ध को विराम दे, खामखा खुद से लड़ने की कोशिश न कर। मन में चल रहे युद्ध को विराम दे, खामखा खुद से लड़ने की कोशिश न कर। और जब आप बीच में जो ध्यान लगाते उसके ऊपर है, कुछ बातें भगवान पे छोड़ दे, कुछ बातें भगवान पे छोड़ दे, सब कुछ खुद सुलझने की कोशिश न कर। कुछ बात भगवान पे छोड़ दे, सब कुछ खुद सुलझने की कोशिश न कर। और लास्ट में जो शवासन होता है, उसमें जो मिल गया उसमें खुश रहे, जो मिल गया उस पे खुश रहे, जो सुकून छीन ले वो पाने की कोशिश न कर। जो मिल गया उसमें खुश रहे, जो सुकून छीन ले वो पाने की कोशिश न कर। और आप जहाँ पीछे लेके जाए, अभी पीछे लेके जा रहे थे हमको आप कॉलेज टाइम में, तो रास्ते की सुंदरता का लुत्फ उठा, रास्ते की सुंदरता का लुत्फ उठा, मंजिल पर जल्दी पहुंचने की कोशिश कर। रास्ते की सुंदरता का लुत्फ उठा, मंजिल पर जल्दी पहुंचने की कोशिश न कर। और लास्ट मकता है, जाग जा भाई, जाग जा भाई, योग की ऊर्जा को सपना का साथ है, उसे व्यर्थ गंवाने की भूल न कर।
अरे
आपके लिए I think now no need of photo. I think सब बता दीजिए।
हिमंत बाबू का नया नाम है हिमंत जादूगर जादू।
Thank you.
ये रोज आपको सपना जी बताते हैं, तो I think let's follow it. And
very beautiful.
I think Sapna ji, I give words to what you're doing in yoga.
Thank you.
Right? I just only try to give words.
बहुत अच्छा लगा because कविता करना तो मेरा शौक है, आपको पता है।
I know that. That's why.
आपने छू लिया।
Thank you so much. So I will.
Very nice, very well done.
Yes, yeah, friends, we are very fortunate that in our Seacoast we have many talented, and one person who we call him Ashoka, pillar of our club. He is always our inspiration. He has been with us for yoga for all 21 days, throughout 21 days. He is the one who is the inspiration. When I tell him a project cost 1 lakh hoega, so first answer he will say 1 crore kyun nahi? You know, he is that kind of a person, and I'm proud to say that he's our new AKS member from our club. May I request our past president, Rotarian Ashok Mehra ji, to give vote of thanks, please.
Kishore, I'm interrupting.
Yeah.
I didn't know this problem was at the club also. He says it at the district also.
That's good.
Sunil ji, you're kind. Shilpi ji hai na yahan par? Is Shilpi ji with us today? Hello?
Oh, she's not here. She's not here.
She's not there. And our guest of honor, Ashish Vidyarthi ji, is left. So anyway, friends, we are very fortunate and truly honored and grateful today to have this august presence of such luminaries. In the last 20 days, and today being the 21st, we have been religiously attending the Yoga Abhyas sessions, so well organized by our President Kishore and beautifully conducted by Guru Sapna. Thanks to both of you. Popularly, yoga is well known as a Hindi spiritual and ascetic discipline, a part of which, including breath control, simple meditation, and adoption of specific body posture, is mostly practiced for health and relaxation. Now, we have been learning all these for the last 21 days. However, I just want to take you what really Sapna ji has been teaching us. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit root yog, which means to join or to yog or to unite. And as per yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga leads to the union of individual consciousness and that of the universal consciousness, indicating a perfect harmony between mind and body and man and nature. This we have experienced in each of the sessions when Sapna has transported us into this union of individual and universal consciousness. We are all going to miss these sessions. However, today we have best today we had the best of both the worlds. Today we had a Sangam of yoga taught to us by Sapna in connecting our individual consciousness and that of the universal consciousness. And as Ashish Vidyarthi, his company or his organization, Avid Minor, whose teachings help us to bring out the champion that lies within each one of us. I quote from his words, he says, human excellence is striving without stress, intent without tension, purpose without pretension. The passion to succeed with humility is success. He's not here, but thanks Ashish ji for being here today and enlightening us with your inspirational talk. On behalf of all C-posters and all those who attended the yoga session today and for the last 20 days, I thank you, Kishore and Sapna, for bringing this unique program to us. I'm sure that we will continue to practice all that we have learned. Sapna ji, I assure you I will do that. And not only improve our health, but also our mind. I also thank Vivek Shetty for his untiring efforts for ensuring the delivery of the sound and picture quality. Lastly, for all of us students, I quote from Kabir ji's Doha, Karat karat abhyas, jad mati hot sujan, rasri avat javat se sil par parat nishan. For those of you who may not have followed this, कुएं पे जब पानी खींचते हैं बर्तन से, उस पे जो रस्सी बंधी होती है, वो कुएं के किनारे पे रखे हुए पत्थर से बार बार रगड़ खाने से पत्थर पर भी निशान बना देती है। ठीक इसी प्रकार से अभ्यास करने से हमारे जैसे मंद बुद्धि वाले भी नई बातें सीख जाते हैं। So friends, keep on practicing all that we have learned in the last 21 days and continue to unite your individual consciousness with universal consciousness and strive for excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashok ji, and for this session. And I will also again thank for a lovely, beautiful trophies by Creative Awards and Rewards, our Rotarian Prashant Kalbag. And friends, I also want to thank my all co-presidents who have been here, and particularly Jyoti Babladi, then Uday Nyogi, then Rajendra Bhatia, Jyoti Gandhi. If I missed anyone, please excuse me, because they have been here on and off. But Jyoti Babladi was there all throughout. So thank you, Jyoti. So, I mean, tell Jyoti about your experience. Na? Jyoti, as DG has told that you are already energized, and since when you get energized, the things becomes explode. So can you tell something about that? I think you are on mute. क्या हो गया? आवाज गया?
Bhai, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Thanks to the kind host, since when I'm trying to unmute myself, bhai मेरी energy control में रखी उन्होंने मेरा मुंह बंद करके. Really, thanks a lot to Team C-Post. Energy की तो जैसे सर ने बोला, I am experiencing a threefold increase in my energy. कल मैं I had gone to my sister's house in the evening to wish my little niece a very happy birthday, and I could climb 8 floors. I went all 8 floors walking up and coming down after that. Not that I was trying to see how much of energy I have. It is that it is a part of an exercise. I am told that ki lung ka power kitna hai. I've been doing this pranayam for the last 20 days seriously with Sapna ji. And as she has told in the evening also, I'm trying to do it as much as I can. And also I'm taking the liberty of doing it whichever place I am standing. So suppose if I'm standing in the kitchen doing something, I'm also doing it there. Anywhere else I'm doing. One session I do it in the open garden that I have. So the energy that I have stored now in my lungs, I have to use it. Or DG sir, since now we have almost, विजन ईयर के आखिरी छोर पर हैं, तो ये सारी एनर्जी लंग में है. थैंक यू बोलने के लिए पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट को, आपको, मेरे को प्रेसिडेंट्स को, और किशोर को तो मैंने बोला है, किशोर, when you in any of your programs, you need not tell me, include me in all your programs, and
absolutely,
this one
absolutely, always
happy to be a part of. सपना जी, आपके जैसा गुरु मुझे चाहिए जो हर मोड़ पे, हर मिनट पे, हर सेकंड पे सबसे वो चीज करवाते. Never, not a single day did you not keep on repeating the same thing that you have been saying for all the 20 days, for all the mini seconds that we have spent with you. आपकी जितनी शक्ति शायद हमारे पास अभी नहीं है, but I am now thinking कि उतनी शक्ति आनी चाहिए हम लोगों में. Both physical, mental endurance जो है बढ़ना चाहिए. So my dear friends, my dear co-presidents and Seacoast Rotarians, along with our DG sir, I wish to thank you from the bottom of my heart. आज का दिन 20 दिन बहुत बढ़िया हुए. 7:30 बजे उठ के exactly at 7:32 I used to log in. I'm going to miss these days. मगर पत्नी किशोर अगर ये लिंक चालू रखेगा, मैं 7:30 बजे ये लिंक फिर से ऑन करके बैठूंगी मेरे मोबाइल के सामने और कुछ
I want to say one word. Can I?
It says that you put into the habit. तो ये आदत लग गई है. तो आदत लग गई है.
Guys are leaving. Guys are leaving. I want to say one.
The link is on. You can always go on our Facebook page and see all screen videos. They are always there. Plus at Sapna's video channel, it is there. Sapna's YouTube channel, they are there.
I am Shirish Tare from Mumbai, Bombay North.
Yes, Shirish, please.
And I want to say also big thank to Swapna ji and of course the entire your club for inviting us, all the people from other Rotary as well. And I enjoyed all in 21 days, not only learned a lot, but also enjoyed it. And I wish I can continue it by using the videos on YouTube because I don't have the Facebook account. I hope this will be available on the YouTube in course of time. And thank you once again. If you do some such a program, please invite us. We'll be very glad to join again.
Thank you. Thank you,
everybody.
Thank you. Thank you. I've been observing you from day one, and it is really nice to see you and many Rotarians here from our district who have been coming regularly and doing it. Thank you so much. And most of them, believe me, most of them are on Facebook. Because, when we get around 40 here, when I see Facebook, we see around 50, 70 there. So every day, and then subsequently during the day, they see the Facebook video and they do themselves. So thank you everyone for being with us in this program. Yeah, thank you.
President Vicky wants to say something, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm Suresh Mittal here.
Yeah, Suresh.
I'm from Bombay North, Rotary Club Bombay North. I really enjoyed. So whenever you are having program, we are ready to come in all your program. Thank you.
Thank you, Suresh. It's our pleasure and privilege. Thank you so much. So thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Thank you, DG, for your sparing so much time for us. And I adjourn the meeting. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Wait, hold on.
कल का क्या होगा किशोर जी? कल क्या होगा?
कल वीडियो दे
मुझे लगना पड़ेगा अभी कल.
किशोर जी, प्रसाद कुछ कह रहा है. प्रसाद.
Yeah, Prashant, sorry, I have not seen you. Prashant, sorry, I have not seen you. Yeah, please. Yeah, please, Prashant.
Yeah, Vivek is trying to show you the visuals of the Yoga trophy and the Corona Warrior trophy. We spent a lot of time and money and effort on it. Please have a look at those visuals.
Prashant, you did a fabulous job.
अरे देखो तो सही. अरे यार देखा बिने. This is a yoga trophy.
That is why I said that they are all designers trophies.
This is done for Vivek.
He makes the trophies.
Vivek Tete and the Warrior Club Patana. Vivek Corona Warrior Club Hemang Jangla wala.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Prashant, for your for sponsoring all these trophies. We are indeed always you are always kind to do this job. You are doing wonderful trophies. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone. We'll see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
President Kishore.